Warm greetings. Today we are going to discuss about the case study on failure of surge arrestor. Surge arrestor is nothing but it is a protective device that is used to protect the power system equipments during lightning. During thunderstorms, based on the movement of positive and negative charges, lightning will appear. This lightning will create different kinds of over voltages. The over voltages may be external over voltages or internal over voltages. For overcoming the over voltages from the lightning in power system line and power system equipments, we are selecting a surge arrestor as a protective device. Sometimes the surge arrestor failure also occur due to heavy lightning and some other environmental reasons. Now we are going to see about the one case study of regarding the surge arrestor failure. The main problem statement is that due to some environmental effects and lightning, thunderstorms, and some human mistakes, the surge arrestor also failed in some industries. The main objective of this case study is to avoid the failure of surge arrestor in industry. Due to so many reasons, the surge arrestor failure will occur at any instant time. The failure of an arrestor almost results in a complete short circuit inside the plant, and in most scenarios, the failure occurs due to dielectric breakdown, whereby the internal structure has deteriorated to the point where the arrestor is unable to withstand the applied voltage, whether normal system voltage or temporary power frequency voltage. It will occur due to following external line faults or switching or lightning or switching surge over voltages. So there are variety of reasons why an arrestor might be reach a state it will be failure, and due to the lightning over voltages the arrestor is unable to withstand the apply voltages. So that is it is a temporary power frequency over voltages or due to external line faults or due to lightning or switching surge over voltages. Mainly, the most common reason for surge arrestor failure is the moisture entering into the interior. Okay, and surge arrestor burning also occur. There can be many causes of burning. So it is due to incorrect connection, choosing the surge arrestor that cannot handle the current in the system, and also it does not having a routine maintenance will cause the surge arrestor failure. When controls and maintenance are made frequently, it is possible to avoid user induced faults, but high voltage risk is always present. Surge arrestor failure also occur due to exceeding the upper limit voltage. It is not possible to estimate the lightning current and voltage, although it is possible to take some precautions with the surge arrestor placed at a certain distance. It is always possible that the upper limit is exceeded. Even if the selection of the surge arrestor is made according to the requirements of installation, it is not possible to get rid of this risk literally. Therefore, it is necessary to use surge arrestor stabilizing device to prevent lightning strokes and static electricity induced voltages and currents from the damaging the surge arrestor. Based on the academic experts' discussions and solutions, the feasible solution to avoiding surge arrestor failure is due to the surge arrestor selection should be done in a suitable manner. The equipment should be selected after grounding resistance and voltage values are measured. It must be continuously checked against the situation such as damp, dusting, and the necessary maintenance must be performed. The next one is size of the plant. According to the size of the plant, it is possible to avoid exceeding the voltage limit by placing more than one surge arrestor at regular intervals. Thank you.